Hello everyone, thinking of how to earn sitting at home? Upwork is the best place for it. Simply create your profile, connect and select your suitable data entry job or any job and start your work from home. The link for the website as well as the app is given in the description below. Just like the other apps, install this from Play Store. And first page you see is a sign up page where it shows you to continue with Google or enter a mail address. Now I enter a mail address here and then I get is this sign up page where I need to enter my first name, last name, type a password, select country and also give a username. And then by selecting yes, agreeing to the terms and conditions and then click on create my account. And now you can see is this interface with various jobs listed. I scroll down, I can see various jobs related to writing, website content writer, various serious work, Spanish articles and so on. And if you like to save a job for future reference, you can click on the heart icon and it gets saved in the saved section here, as you can see. The next section is the search section wherein you can type a keyword as per your interest in the search bar. I type data entry jobs and you can see a list of jobs mentioned. And as I select, I find various jobs related to data entry shown here in this interface. And if you are interested in any of these jobs, you can click on it and know more about it. Likewise, I select wanted Google Sheets Pro to extract URLs from hyperlink text. You can see a description given about this job. And after reading, if you are interested, you can click on submit a proposal, which takes you to this page. As you can see, it's a payment verified job with a 5-star rating. And then when you click on the submit proposal, it takes you to a page where shown $20 for the work and how you want to be paid. Now you can see as you scroll down how long would it take for you to complete the work. And you can select more than 6 months, 3 to 6 months, 1 to 3 months or less than a month. And you can add a cover letter or any other attachments and click on submit. Once you submit it, you can see it here in the proposal. As of now, I have not submitted any proposal, so it's shown 0. The next icon, as you can see, the contracts. Here, any active contracts will be displayed. And here, this message icon, if your client has contacted you, and in this alert section, notifications will be displayed. So various jobs other than your interest can also be searched, and if you are interested, you can send a proposal stating that you are ready for the work. And next, when I click on the profile picture and profile, it takes you to a page where you can update your profile. The first, I click on the picture icon. You can select a photo and upload it here. The next, this section is to add your title like web designer, content writer, and I type video editor and click on save. The next is to enter how much you want to be paid per hour, and I type $25 per hour and click on save. The next is the description. Here you can type in your strengths and skills or any projects and keep it short and error free. A minimum of 100 words is mandatory, and then click on save. You can also add your work history, skills, projects, and hours you're available, languages you're fluent at, education, certifications. Now your profile is all set. In the same way, to add payment details, click on the profile picture where you can see settings, and then in settings you can see get paid. Click on that. It takes you to a new interface. As of now, I have not started any work, so balance shown in the wallet is $0. You can see payment details and a plus icon. When you click on that, you can add your bank details. So this way you can earn easily based on your interest from home. So this way you can use your work from home job skills, as Upwork can be a great way to kickstart your freelancing career, as you are able to browse millions of jobs and find the ones that are perfect for you. So download now and start earning. To get more information related to online money making, you may join our free internship program, Yuva Atmanirbhar Project. In this internship, you will learn how to earn money by sitting at home. IPSR started this project with an aim to make 1 lakh students self-reliant through this internship. You will be learning about social media marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. And with that, you will have an opportunity to earn according to your performance. You will also get project guidance from our well-experienced digital marketing team. Yarn Project is an internship program and it's absolutely free. You need not spend money for this internship. To be a part of this program, you need to just fill the application form and submit. So, click on the link in the description below and become part of this exciting opportunity to enhance your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.